Vendor accounts to start building business credit. Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. And by the end of this video, I'm going to give you a handful of accounts that will help you build initial credit that reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So there's a ton of benefits of building business credit, including the fact that you can build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your personal social security number. This means no personal liability for you, no personal credit check. And it also means you're able to get very high limit accounts for your business very quickly, even if you don't have cash flow, you don't have good credit, and you don't have collateral. But business credit building starts by getting vendor accounts. These are unique credit issuers who actually issue you credit and then report that credit to the business credit reporting agencies. These vendors are so important when it comes to building business credit because over 97% of credit issuers do not report the credit they give you to the business credit reporting agencies. So you need to make sure that you get credit with vendors who actually do report. But that's the hard part. Most vendors don't report the credit, and of the small percentage that do, some report sometimes, some don't report other times. It changes very quickly. As a matter of fact, this is a big thing that we do at Credit Suite. We have an entire data team that manages our database, the Business Finance Suite, that actually says hundreds of sources that will give you credit, their underwriting guidelines, all the unique things you need, like the special links to get approved. But if you're doing this on your own, you can still succeed. It'll just take you a lot longer to get some of the same results. So how do you succeed? Well, you do it by finding the right vendors. My personal favorite vendors include Uline and Quill. I love Uline and Quill because they make it very easy to get approved, and they'll give you credit when you have none. They report the credit to the business credit reporting agencies, and they sell stuff you really need. They sell stuff like shipping supplies and office supplies that almost every business could really use. Now, beyond Uline and Quill, you might also want to take a look at Granger. They sell a lot of industrial supplies and outdoor supplies. Even if you don't do a lot of work for your business outdoors, you can still get things like first aid kits and batteries and find other things you need at Granger. But the most important thing is you're getting credit with a vendor that actually reports that credit to the business credit reporting agencies. Now, a couple others are SupplyWorks and Strategic Network Solutions. Both of these sell different things, ranging from supplies to networking solutions or things to do with computer solutions that you can also use. So that gives you a handful of initial vendors, all report the credit to the business credit reporting agencies. So make sure you check out those vendors and get started. And don't forget, you've got to improve your fundability before you even start to apply for vendor credit. So if you don't know how to do that yet, go to youtube.com/credit suite and access our training on building your fundability. And if you'd like the fastest path, well, then get in touch with us at creditsuite.com. At creditsuite.com, we help you take years of business credit building and condense it down to only months by simplifying the business credit building process. So visit us online at creditsuite.com.